Welcome to this detailed guide on how to add a custom project type in WordPress. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to navigate through WordPress and customize your portfolio section by creating a new project type from scratch. Whether you're showcasing design work, research, or business case studies, this process will help you organize your content beautifully and professionally. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to wordpress.com. Once your site loads, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see the login option. Click it and you'll be directed to the secure sign-in page. Here, select Continue with Google for the quickest login experience. Choose the Google account connected to your WordPress website, and once logged in, you'll be taken straight to your WordPress dashboard, the control center for your site. Now that you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and find the Portfolio section. This is where all your creative work and projects are managed. Click on it to open the Portfolio Management page. Within this section, you'll see options for your portfolio items. What we're looking for today is the Project Types tab. Go ahead and click on it. This area allows you to categorize and group your projects under specific themes or styles. Perfect for keeping your portfolio organized and easy to browse. Once you're in the Project Types section, you'll see a form that lets you add details for your new project type. In the first field, enter the name of your project type. Choose something clear and descriptive. For example, UI design, photography, or case studies. This name will appear throughout your site wherever this category is used. Next, move down to the description field. Here you can add a short summary that explains what this project type is all about. For instance, if your project type is illustrations, you might describe it as a collection of hand-drawn and digital art projects created for clients and exhibitions. This gives both visitors and collaborators a better idea of what kind of work falls under that category. Once you've filled in all the fields, review your entries and then click the Add New Project Type button. The moment you do this, your new custom category will be added to your portfolio. You can now start assigning projects to this new type, helping your visitors navigate through your work effortlessly. Every time you add or edit a project, your new category will appear as an option, ready to use. And just like that, you've successfully created a custom project type in WordPress. It's a small but powerful step that helps make your portfolio more organized, user-friendly, and professional looking. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy WordPress guides. Thanks for watching,